Hi everyone, and welcome to Activity 2, where we are going to dive a lot deeper into what personalized learning is, what it looks like, and how you can use it in your classroom. So we wanted to do this activity so that it's kind of personalized for you. So there is a template of a menu, and when you open up your menu, you're earning points for today while you're working. So the appetizers are the must-do activities. These are each 30 points, and you can kind of check them off as you work. There's an introductory video to view, an article on personalized learning, an infographic. So play around and take a look at things in here. The entree, you're going to select one of these. But the good thing about this is that if you only see one during the workshop today, you can go home and take a look at these other types of tools that you might be able to use to personalize learning for you and your students. The side dishes, you're going to select one of these. They're worth 30 points. This is kind of the assessment piece that we're going to look at. So you're going to show me what you've learned about personalized learning. There's an exit ticket you could complete in Google Forms, or you could create a video in Flipgrid, or an audio or video response in VoiceThread. So play around with these tools and see what you enjoy using and might be able to use in your classroom. And then there's a dessert or optional or bonus points to create a menu board similar to this for your own classroom. So I hope you enjoy. Please let me know if you have any questions while you're working.